In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with QuickBooks. We're going to connect Salesforce with QuickBooks Online using QuickBooks' built-in integration options. Before you start, make sure you can sign in to QuickBooks Online with an admin-level account, your subscription is active, and you have your Salesforce login ready. Having both tools open in the same browser, with pop-ups allowed, will make this smoother. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. From the main dashboard, look for the Integrate option. Depending on your layout, you may see this on the Get Things Done page or within the Apps area. Click Integrate to open the section where connections are managed. Next, choose Find Integrations. This takes you into the QuickBooks App Center, which is where you'll search for and launch official connectors. In the search bar, type Salesforce. You should see results for Salesforce integrations that sync customers, products, invoices, and more between the two systems. Open the option that best matches your region and QuickBooks plan. Take a quick look at the app details, supported features, pricing, and reviews to confirm it fits your needs. Before proceeding, double-check your QuickBooks subscription status. Integrations typically require an active plan and the right permissions, so being the primary or company admin helps avoid roadblocks. If everything looks good, click Integrate Now. A guided setup will appear. You'll be prompted to authorize QuickBooks to connect with Salesforce and then to sign into Salesforce to grant permissions on that side. Follow the prompts on each screen. Most connectors will ask what you want to sync, such as accounts to customers, products or items, and invoices or opportunities. If mapping options are shown, confirm that fields like email, phone, and tax settings line up correctly. For a first run, it's wise to start with a smaller date range or a limited record set so you can review results before enabling a broader sync. When ready, confirm and start the integration. Let the initial sync complete without closing the browser. When it finishes, spot check a few records in both QuickBooks and Salesforce to verify that names, amounts, and statuses look right. If something doesn't appear, ensure pop-ups aren't blocked, your user role has the needed access in both systems, and that currencies, time zones, and tax preferences match to prevent discrepancies or duplicates. That's it. You've navigated to QuickBooks, opened integrations, found the Salesforce connector, confirmed your subscription, and launched the integration. Save your settings, run a small test transaction, and you'll be ready to scale the sync with confidence.